Hello everyone. So today we are gonna make a cream potato soup recipe, which is my favorite recipe, which I love. My winters come earlier than anyone's winters. I start wearing jackets, sweaters, everything. They come in like mid of October or something. So it's a really delicious and creamy recipe. I love it, and mostly in winters I like to drink it while snacking this hot, delicious, creamy soup, watching Netflix, my favorite movie, and just doing nothing and chilling. So let's get begin with the recipe. Now these are all the ingredients: oil, dairy cream, Italian seasoning, cheese cube, chicken cube, parsley, chopped parsley, spring onion, chopped spring onion, potatoes, chopped potatoes, salt, pepper, water, a teensy cube of butter, and these are all the ingredients. Now I'll put the butter. Then we'll add some mashed potatoes. I added the chicken cubes inside. And I'm gonna add some water now. And let it cook. Now I'm gonna add some spring onions. Now let's add some black pepper. Now I'm gonna add the Happy Cow cheese cube. This is my favorite kind of cheese cube. I eat it day and night. It's so creamy. And it's gonna help us make our potato creamy soup. Now grind all the ingredients. Now after grinding it, now add some water to make the consistency a little creamy. Not too thick or not too soupy. Now we're gonna stir it. It's looking so delicious, I can't wait. Now add some cream in the soup. Now stir the cream with the soup. Now add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Now stir the Italian seasoning with the soup. Now let the soup cook until bubbles appear on the soup. Now you can see it's almost done, so dish it out. Hello, now my ghost friend is pouring the hot and sizzling and delicious soup for me. Pour please, ghost. Right in here. Pour. Good job. And another bowl is for my ghost, aka my sister. So delicious. Now I'm gonna try it. Now add a little bit of parsley and enjoy your delicious soup. Now this is my favorite part, the taste testing. You can see the dish, and now I'm gonna gobble it in my mouth. I love it. It's so creamy, potato-ish, so delicious. Now see you in my next video, and let me enjoy this delicious soup in a cozy blanket watching my favorite movie. Bye bye.